German Chancellor Friedrich Merz's inaugural visit to India, that is on 12 and 13 January 2026, marks a strategic turning point in Germany's foreign policy, emphasizing India as a central partner in evolving geopolitical landscape beyond Europe. This visit signals Germany's intent to deepen economic, technological, defense, and cultural ties with India amidst global uncertainties and shifting alliances. Key highlights of the visit include, let's talk first about political and strategic engagement. Merz was received by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Ahmedabad. They reviewed 25 years of India-Germany strategic partnership, joint emphasis on expanding cooperation in defense, green energy, workforce mobility, and global security, including the Ukraine conflict. Discussions aimed at sketching a new strategic geography termed Indo-Europe concept, symbolizing a partnership to balance global powers like US and China. Let's see economic and trade angle. Merz highlighted India as a key economic partner for Germany. Efforts are intensifying to finalize EU-India Free Trade Agreement by the end of January 2026. The EU seeks tariff reduction on cars, medical devices, wine, spirits, and meat. India demands duty-free access for labor-intensive goods and faster recognition of its expanding auto and electronic sectors. Bilateral trade between India and EU reached Euro 120 billion, equivalent to $140 billion in 2024, making EU India's largest trading partner. Let's talk about industry and technology collaborations. Visit to Bosch Adugoti campus in Bangalore, showcasing innovations like hydrogen internal combustion engine trucks and AI security platforms. Bosch employs about 40,000 people in India. SAP employs around 17,000. Germany's pharmaceutical sector views India as a key partner. Let's also have a look on cultural and educational exchanges. They remain strong, with around 250,000 Indians learning German and Bangalore issuing the highest number of German visas globally. What about defense and security cooperation? Both leaders agreed to develop a joint roadmap for defense industrial cooperation. Germany is undergoing a significant rearmament program, expected to spend up to 3.5% of GDP, that is around $200 billion annually by 2030 on defense. India seeks to modernize its defense industry through co-development with Germany. Both countries share concerns over the ongoing war in Ukraine. Germany urges India to reduce dependency on Russian energy and arms, acknowledging India's complex situation. Merz also visited historic Sabarmati Gandhi Ashram and participated in the International Kite Festival in Ahmedabad alongside Prime Minister Modi, reinforcing historical and cultural ties.